Hey guys, HavasuLew out in beautiful Lake Havasu. Hey, we're out here checking out this brand new listing for a client. Has a pool in the residential estates area. Hang out, check it out too, and I'll talk to you in a minute. All right guys, we're out here at 2216 Chip Lane in the residential estates area, right at the end of a cul-de-sac, right by the golf course. Just listed today for $789,900. Real nice area, of course, because we are in the residential estates. Nicely landscaped. So everything in the residential estates can go 2 stories, has underground utilities and natural gas. Let's go check it out. Has a nice front entry with some stonework. All right guys, this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath pool home. Does have a bonus kind of den office setup as well. Built in 2005, 2,288 square feet. Sits on that nice end of cul-de-sac residential estates lot, 12,415 square feet. Again, just listed today for $789,900. I guess the wood floors are a little bit newer, has dual skylights. There is a gas fireplace, vaulted ceilings. Some of the furniture can be conveyed outside of escrow. Little eat-at counter. Nice big window to the outside. Every little dining area, a couple more little seating areas on this side. There is a gas range in here as well. Stainless appliances. You have a little granite topped kitchen island. All the cabinets are the soft touch close, reverse osmosis at your sink. You also have like a little kitchen desk type setup in your pantry. So back off the entry, you have your garage door access, indoor laundry, and a double door entry to the master, which is a pretty good size. Vaulted ceilings in here as well. Lots of natural light coming in. Also has a door out to the backyard patio and pool area. And then you have your master bath. Has dual sinks, granite tile tops. There is a skylight in here as well. You also have a tiled walk-in shower. There's a linen closet to your right, a walk-in closet, and a water closet with its own door. All right, let's go check out the other side of the house. So this is the bonus office den setup. Can't really be called a bedroom because it does not have a closet, but you could, of course, sleep people in here. It does have glass double doors. So back off the living room and kitchen side, you have the other 2 guest bedrooms and a guest bath. So straight ahead off the hallway, you have guest bedroom number 1. Nice little seating area and storage setup. Your typical double door slider closet, tall ceilings in here. So right next door you have another little linen closet and the second guest bedroom. This one has a little bit of a walk-in closet. Back over on the master side, you have your indoor laundry. You have your 3-car garage setup. Looks like it has LED lights. There is a mini split AC in here. You have a 22-foot and a 32-foot bay. Both 8-foot insulated doors. Your reverse osmosis, hot water, and softener. Hot water is on natural gas. The red cabinets do not convey with the sale, but can be purchased outside of escrow. All right, so out the kitchen door, you have a real nice wraparound patio setup. Has a TV out here, can lights. Looks like it's pre-wired for speakers. Has paver decking. This backs to a wash, so it gives you some privacy between you and your neighbors. Nice artificial turf installation. Here's your condenser for the mini split in the garage. And you have this cool little like workshop area set up. You have an outdoor shower with tile. And then on the other side, you have your heated pool. Very nicely landscaped. Lots of artificial turf. Has pop-up cleaners. Concrete decking. All your pool equipment is behind the sun shield deal. Does have a pretty big heater. All right, guys, HavasuLew back again with you. Hope you enjoyed the quick little video walk through the house over here on Chip Lane. Again, this one was just listed for $789,900. I'll put a direct link to the listing detail page right below this video so you guys get all the original listing pictures, current price, and availability. Of course, if you guys have any questions at all, always feel free to reach out to me. All my contact information is right below this video as well. You guys have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.